Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. So in this video I'm basically standing here contemplating if I should take out at least this large pakchoi no, because it looks like it can stay a little longer, right? um, but the thing is that I don't remember the date when I planted it, but based on how it looks I know that it can stay a little longer. But I think I'm going to just take out this one and give the others um, a chance to spread and get larger as well. This one here is also large as well, but I think I'll just remove this one first. Right, so let's go. Right, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, fairly good size. I say it could have stayed a little longer, but I'm going to sample this one in the kitchen. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take out that other one over there. I'm going to take out that one. Right? Right, and here we have it. Two beautiful pak choy just harvested from the backyard hydroponic system. So as you can see, I have freed up some amount of space to allow the others to continue to grow. So I have 4 plants left to harvest. Right, and this is it. So I'm going to prepare this. I'll basically show you what it looks like, how I prepare it. The wife smiled when she saw them. Woo! So how we prepare them, I'm just going to take off each leaf, right, like this, and listen to this. Oh yes, cutting up time. Chris. Hmm? Yes. Yes. Hmm? Right, so this is what it looks like. Finished cut up now, right? So I'm going to add the seasoning to it now. Some onion, so on and so forth, right? You know the tricks. Right, so in the pot, ready to drop a steam, soon come. Right, so here is the finished product. Right, that is it. I'll share some and I eat, you know? You hear that? Right. If you have any questions, any comments, put them in the comments area. See you again in another video. Bye bye. Please remember to subscribe.